guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve day 7 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today we are going to solve problem number 273, integer to English words. Okay, so in this problem we have to convert a non-negative integer num to its English words representation. Okay, so this is a hard level problem marked by LeetCode. So see the example. So here a number is 123, so we are writing it like this: 123. Okay, number is 12345, so we are writing it like this: 12,345. Okay, so we are reading it like this: 12,345. Okay, and see this number, so we are reading it like this. Okay, so here, yeah, so here 1,234,567. okay, 1,234,567. okay, so I hope that you guys are clear. Okay, how we are writing the numbers. So we are just dividing the numbers in thousands formats, right? So for 567, 567, then this 234 we are writing 234. okay, and here for 1 I am writing here. Then in between we are using 1 million, 1000. okay, so here just divide it in 3 format. okay, 3 format, 345 comma 1 2, so 12,000 then 345. okay, so this is how we are reading the numbers. okay, so how we are going to solve this problem? So let's understand this with an example. So let's suppose my number is like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. okay, so I have already told you guys that we have to divide this number in three sets. okay, so first we need to just check about this 890, then after that we need to check about this 567, then after that we just need to check about 234, and after that we just need to check about this one. okay, so if I just want to read this number, then how I'm going to read 1, then here it's comma. okay, so 1,234,567,890. okay, so 1,234,567,890. okay, so now how we are going to solve this using our code. okay, so let's understand. So here my number is this, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. okay, so first I am just going to do the modulus of this number with 1000. okay, and when I'm doing the modulus with 1000, then it is just going to give me the last 3 digits, 890. okay, so here see this code. So here I am just passing this number. okay, so here I am just passing this number, right? This number I am passing here. This number is not equal to 0, so I'm not going to execute this step. Then I'm creating one string builder, and this is a 1000 counter. okay, so this 1000 counter is just used for this one, just for this billions, millions and thousands. okay, so for that purpose I am using this 1000 counter. So right now my number is greater than 0. okay, so I am just doing the modulus of this number with 1000. okay, so this is not equal to 0 right now, this is equal to 890. okay, so here inside this sb.insert, okay, in the string builder I am inserting the values at 0 index. Every time I am going to insert the values at 0 index. okay, then inside this I am calling this helper method. okay, so helper of 890 here. So this is the method that I am calling. okay, so now this plus thousands of 1000 counter, so this value is 1000 counter initially is 0. okay, so I am also creating these three string arrays. okay, so here this thousands array, so at 0th index there is nothing. okay, this is one index, at one index we have 1000 value. okay, so this is my 0 index. okay, after 0 index there is nothing, this is one index. So here in one index, everything after this 567 I'm adding 1000 now, so this is one index. This is two index. okay, here I am adding million, here I am adding billion. okay, three index, you can read it like this. okay, this is one index, this is 0 index for this thousands string array. okay, so here So here I am calling this helper method, and in the helper method whatever I am going to return 890 actually it is going to return by using this helper method. But after this helper method I'm not adding anything. Okay, so because thousands of zero indexes, nothing, null. Okay, so that's the meaning of this one. Okay, so now how this helper method is working, so let's understand. So in this helper method I am passing, let's say 890. Okay, 890 I am passing. So here number is equal to 0, no. My number is less than 20, no. My number is less than 100, no. So I am just going to execute this statement. Okay, so what is it in this statement what we are doing, so let's understand. So here less than 20 I'm calling this a string array, less than 20 string array, and inside this I'm just dividing this number with 100. Okay, so if I am dividing this number with 100, then it is going to give me 8. Okay, 890 divided by 100. Okay, so it is giving me 8. So less than 20, 8 index. So here less than 20, this string array, here 8 index. So this is nothing but 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, and same way at 8 index we have this value. Okay, so I am returning this value here, 8. Okay, so this is how this value is coming, 8. Then after that I am adding 100. Okay, so that is why 100 is there. Then after that num modulus with 100. So num is nothing but 890 modulus with 100, so remainder part, okay, 90. So here I am returning 90. Again I am calling this helper method with number 90. Okay, so I am calling this number 90. So number is equal to 0, no. Again I am calling, again I am passing 90 the next time, right, this helper method. So now this condition will be executed, number is less than 100. Okay, so here tens, num divided by 10. So if I divide 90 by 10, it is going to give me what? If I am dividing this 90 with 10, then it is going to give me 9, right? So tens of 9 index. So tens of 9 index. Tens of 9 index. So this is 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, 4 index, 5 index, 6 index, 7 index, 8 index, 9 index. Okay, so it is going to return me 90. Okay, 90. So that is why I am writing 90 here, right? Return this one, and after that I am modulus with the 10, so it is 0 only. So if it is 0, then I am just returning nothing. Okay, so this is how this 890 is coming from helper method. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear. Okay, so once this is done, this part is done, then after that I am just dividing this number with 1000. Okay, so if I divide this number with 1000, then after that I am going to get this number. Okay, so now also I am incrementing the 1000 counter plus plus. So now my 1000 counter will become 1. Okay, so here inside this this is the new num. Okay, I am again doing modulus. I am dividing it another 3 set 567. Then this helper method is going to return me 567, just like above, just like 890. Okay, then after that plus thousands of 1. So here if you go to thousands array of 1, I see 1000 is there. So that is why we are now inserting at 0 index. So we are inserting this at 0 index, 567,000. So now total string builder, it is going to look like this, 567,890. Okay, same way again I am going to divide this number with 1000, then I get this number, do the modulus, call this helper method, and now thousands of 2. Okay, so here thousands counter is incrementing every time now, so it is going to give me million. So in the sb.insert I am always inserting at 0 index, so I have to insert this value, 234 million. Okay, I have inserted this value, and this is the from previous one. Okay, this is from previous one. Okay, so here I am adding 567,000, and after 1000 I am adding this previous value. Okay, and in the end this is going to be number modulus with 1000, it's going to give me 1, then helper is going to give me 1, then 1000 of 3 is going to give me million. Okay, I am just going to add this 1 billion, and all this value is coming from the previous. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with this explanation. Okay, so we have to just create 3 string arrays, because you know now we have numbers from 0 to 19, we are going to read them like this. Okay, then after that we are reading the numbers like this now, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, I am reading the numbers in tens like this. Okay, and the numbers which are in between like 21, 22, 23. Okay, so for that purpose I have to create the 3 string as arrays like this. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with this, how this code is working. Okay, so now let me move to the code part. So here I have written all the strings arrays that we have, less than 20, tens and thousands. Okay, in the end we have to just return, convert this string builder to string. Okay, this is what we need to return, and this is our helper method. Okay, so now let's run the code and see if there are any code issues. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.